Okay, guys, today I made this. Wait a second. Today I'm. Okay, today I made this. This is and so look at that. And this is a clap hand. Looks like something, but it's a clap hand. Clap hand. So we're gonna open this and smush it, and then boop, just boop, boop, yeah. So how you do this? So I'm gonna stop. So okay guys, so I break all these bricks down, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. First you're gonna need 2 of these to like that, and the other side we need 2 of these. There, those are 2. Okay, we have that, and we need 2 of these. So let's see. Does this not go in? There we go. Then we're gonna have this. And so we'll put the other side. Yeah, so go, and then we're gonna put down first, and then you need 2 of these to put the right here, these 2 holes, and then the other one like so. So looks like that. And we're gonna put these. Gotta put these on. Put these to the one thing. There we go. Look at that. Twist it. No. Yes. Like that. And like that. Like so. You need one of these. One of these pieces. There you go. And you need these, so you need the other side. Like so. And like that. And these are gonna put in back, and the other one, there we go, like so. And then we need this, so we're gonna take that off. We need this piece, and we'll put the whole, there we go, other one, like so. Then the last part is you're gonna just pull it right here, and there you have it. Here you go. Oh, this always break. This is always like that. Oh my gosh. Ah, this is not quite strong. And when you're done, you need one of these. Okay, so one of these. There we go. And that's how you do it. So your clap hands. This is our Christmas clap hand, but it's already over Christmas. So when I'm just gonna show you like this. So it's already April 2022 April. Oh my gosh, so I didn't make this today, so like and subscribe. Here we go. See you guys, bye.